Hi, this is Pat O'Day from Battleground Models. I put together a quick video to show you how to assemble your brand new Flak 38 anti-aircraft gun. First step, take the main frame, drop the diamond plate turntable inside of it. You then take the frame of the gun itself and attach it. Glue those together. Do not glue the diamond plate to the frame because it actually rotates 360 degrees. Also, the gun itself comes already assembled inside the frame with the elevation already functioning. So again, be careful not to glue that. I'm going to go ahead and take the base off to show you some components on the gun itself and how they come together. The gun comes with a basket to hold magazines. Pop it in this little hole right there. You got the basket attached. And then I've seen photos with the magazines set this way and that way. So you basically put them in there however you like. And the magazines, of course, fit into the gun itself. So there you go. The magazines also come with an ammunition box. The box lid is a separate part. It can be glued open. There's a little hinge here, or you can put the ammunition in. It will hold 2 magazines, just like the real one. And just slip right in there, and you're good to go. To detail the gun itself, there are a number of additional pieces. There is a set of optics. It's a 3-piece unit. You take the main component here, slide the arm inside of that. And again, don't glue that because the arm is meant to move. And then put the sight itself into the end of the arm. And then on the rear, there'll be little slots there. Basically drop that in place, glue it, and again, don't glue the arm. It'll be fully functional. You can adjust it based on what position your gun is aiming and what position your crew member is facing. There are also 2 sets of wheeled components that on the real gun would allow you to maneuver the gun into place. One component arm is here. Just attach it onto the side like that. The wheel is there. And then the other traverse wheel sits right back here. And again, there are little pegs there to hold it in place. You just drop it in and off you go. Go ahead and pop these out. The final pieces that you want to put in place are on the turntable itself. So there are 2 components on this side. So there is a chair unit. There are holes right there that fit into the plate. Just glue those in like that. That is not adjustable. However, I made the foot pedals adjustable. You can basically glue those to the frame anywhere you like, depending on how long your figure's legs are or what position they're standing in. I recommend putting the chair in first, sitting the figure in the chair, and then attaching the foot pedal based on what makes the most sense with where your figure ended up. Finally, there is a shell basket catcher, and you'll see that there are 2 little pegs right here, and there are holes in the basket catcher. Those just slip right over the top there, and glue that on. There is also a bit of mesh that comes with the shell catcher. The easiest way to do this, I found, I try to supply you with plenty of mesh so in case you screw up, you're not doomed. But I typically will take the mesh, lay it over here, and then with scissors, cut around the outside, get that piece, glue it on, and then again, do the same thing for this little spot right here, and then one little piece to go all the way around the outside, etc., so on. And you know, I would cut the pieces off, make sure you've got good pieces to work with, and then glue them on all together when you're done. Anyway, that's how you put together your Battleground models, Flak 38. The model I used in this example is 1/16, but it's also available in 1/18, 1/30, and 1/32 scale.